Hello friends, I'm Renu and let's start general knowledge questions for class 7. Today's topic is pop, rock and jazz. These are the different types of musics which were considered to be very trendy at that time, and these used to be played most often on radio, TV, even at parties and gathering also. So these kind of music which is pop, jazz, rock, reggae, rap, these does not require formal training. With a slight singing you can just easily get the nooks of this kind of music, and these are followed by larger audiences since it does not require formal training and it's not very rigid also, and it is very famous in film music. Moving on to the question part, the first question says tick the correct option or options. Option, you know that it can have one option. The question can be asked in such a way that it can have one option or more than one option as well. The first question, a popular music band is a group that performs popular music as a team. तो म्यूजिक बैंड क्या होता है जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं वो एक साथ मिलकर परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं एज अ टीम. It includes instrumentalist and often singers too. Instrumentalist means those who play instruments like guitar, drum and other instruments as well, trumpet, and it will have singers also. Now the main question is, which of the following were members of the famous English band The Beatles? See, if you see here, these were the members of The Beatles. So can you identify these people? Now the options are John Lennon, Ringo Starr, Paul McCartney, George Harrison. So if you go by names, the answer should be all four: John Lennon, Ringo Starr, Paul McCartney, George Harrison. All four were members of the Beatles English band. So it will be the answer. Moving on to question 2. A boy band is a popular music band made up of young men. Which of the following started off as a boy bands? So now you have been given name of few people who had started as boy bands. The options are Boyzone, Carpenters, Blackstreet Boys, Westlife. And this one, for this question, the answer will be Boyzone, Backstreet Boys, Westlife. All three started as boy band. Okay, so the answer will be A, C, D. A, C and then D also. Okay. Question number 3. Pick the members of musical trio that has composed many popular film songs. So the options are Shankar Mahadevan, B part Loy Mendonça, Shankar Jaikishan, Ehsan Nurani. And if you have heard the musical trio names, you will be able to identify that the answer will be Shankar Mahadevan, Loy Mendonça and Ehsan Nurani. They are also called as, this trio is called as Shankar Loy Ehsan, if you have heard it. Okay, so the answer will be A, B and D all. Question 4. Which of the following bands are Indian? Fossils, Strings, Soulmate, Euphoria. And if you have heard about band names in India, the answer will be A part Fossil and C part Soulmate. Okay, so these two are Indian bands. Now moving on to question 5. Pick the members of the Indian duo Colonial Cousins. They are called as Colonial Cousins, which produces a fusion of Indian and Western music. So now you have to identify those people, two people or maybe more than two, who produces fusion. Fusion means mix of Indian as well as Western music. Options are, let's see the options first: Louis Bank, Hariharan, Leslie Lewis, Remo Fernandez. And for this one, the answer will be Hariharan and Leslie Lewis. Hariharan and Leslie Lewis. Okay, B and C both are called as colonial cousins. Question 6. Rock or rock and roll is a kind of popular music with simple tunes and a strong rhythm. Who among the following are rock musicians? Now you have to name about rock musicians. Options are Beatles, Elvis Presley, Jimi Hendrix, Louis Armstrong. So out of all four, the one who the people who are rock musicians, answer will be the Beatles, Elvis Presley, Jimi Hendrix. All three are kind of popular music, rock and roll. Next question, seventh one. Jazz is a kind of African American music. Okay, jazz is a kind of music and it originated from African American. Much of it is improvised. Improvised means change or created by the musicians while performing. So the musicians, when they perform on stage, they keep on changing the jazz. Who among the following are jazz musicians? Now the options are given and you have to identify how many of them are jazz musicians. Options are Louis Bank, Kenny G, Nora Jones, Louis Armstrong. And for this one, the answer will be, in fact, all four. Louis Bank is a jazz musician, Kenny G also, Nora Jones also, and Louis Armstrong. So the answer will be A, B, C, D, all four. Okay. Eighth question. Rap is a kind of music in which words are spoken quickly to a straight, fast rhythm. Pick the rappers among the following. So you must have heard about rap, right? So it's a words are spoken at a very fast speed in this kind of music. Let's see the options first. Pitbull, ZZ, Baba Sehgal, Honey Singh. And if you have heard them ever, you will be able to identify that these all four are rap musicians. So the answer will be Pitbull, ZZ, Baba Sehgal, Honey Singh. All four are rappers. Understood? A, B, C, D. Question 9. This West Indies form of music often has lyrics based on religious, social, political subject. It has often been used in songs of protest. It is known as. Options are jazz, rap, reggae, rock. So the Western Indian form of music which has lyrics based on religious, social, political subjects, that is called as reggae. So the answer will be C part. Okay, reggae has the lyrics which are based on religious or maybe social or political subject. Question 10. Who sang the signature song My Heart Will Go On for the movie Titanic? You must have seen or heard about movie Titanic, right? So the options are Beyonce, Madonna, Britney Spears, Celine Dion. And for this one, the answer is Celine Dion. She sang the signature song My Heart Will Go On, right? 11th question. Among the following, who have performed in one or more of the FIFA World Cup official songs? FIFA, you know, right? Football World Cup. So now you have to name who have performed at that occasion. Options are Pitbull, Shakira, Ricky Martin, Jennifer Lopez. And the answer is again all four. Pitbull, Shakira, Ricky Martin, Jennifer Lopez. All four have performed at FIFA World Cup. A, B, C, D. Question 12. Band Aid and USA for Africa were groups formed by solo musicians. Solo means single. And musicians from different bands to raise funds to fight famine and poverty in Africa. Famine, you know, जब सूखा पड़ जाता है एंड पॉवर्टी गरीबी, तो उसकी वजह से फंड्स रेज करने के लिए these two groups, Band Aid and USA for Africa, these were made. So the huge hit We Are the World by USA for Africa was written by. Now you have to name the lyricist who have written the song for these two bands. Options are Lionel Richie, John Lennon, Bob Dylan, Michael Jackson. And the answer for this one will be Lionel Richie and Michael Jackson. A and D. These two are answer for question number 12. Moving on to next question, 13th one. This song was originally written in honor of actress Marilyn Monroe. One of the composers, Elton John, sang a rewritten version as a tribute to Diana, Princess of Wales, at her funeral. Which song is it? So now you have to name the song which was originally written for Marilyn Monroe. Okay, originally it was written for Marilyn, but then it was rewritten. उसको दोबारा से लिखा गया to give a tribute to Diana. And who was Diana? Princess of Wales. So the options are Blowing in the Wind, Candle in the Wind, The Winner Takes It All, Yesterday Once More. And the answer for this one will be B part, Candle in the Wind. Question 14. Some Western musicians have used Indian instruments such as sitar and the tabla. One of them was George Harrison of the Beatles. He learned to play his instrument from. Now there is one person, George Harrison, and he was from the famous band The Beatles. You have to identify from whom he had learned the instrument of sitar and tabla. Options are Ravi Shankar, Zakir Hussain, Rais Khan, Shiv Kumar Sharma. So the answer for this one will be Ravi Shankar. George Harrison had learned to play his instrument from Ravi Shankar. Question 15. The Grammy Awards are given in the USA to recognize great achievements in music. Among the following Indian musicians who have won this award. Now 4 names have been given. You have to identify who had won Grammy Awards. Options are A.R. Rahman, Ravi Shankar, Zakir Hussain, Vishnu Mohan Bhatt. And the answer for this one is all 4. A.R. Rahman, Ravi Shankar, Zakir Hussain, Vishnu Mohan Bhatt. All 4 have won Grammy Awards. Okay. Now let's quickly finish question number 2 as well. Identify the musician or the group. Now here few pictures have been given and you have to identify their names. So first one, if you know, is Asha Bhosle. Okay, so you will write here Asha Bhosle. She is a famous singer. B part, this is the picture of Spice Girl. So what will come here? Spice Girls. Third one, this picture is of Euphoria. So you will write here Euphoria. And the D part, this is the famous picture of Arijit Singh. So you will write here Arijit Singh. Full name you have to write. Okay. If you want to see all the answers at one go, so you can have it. The first answer number 1 will be A, B, C, D. Second, A, C and D. For third one, A, B and D part. Fourth one, A and C part. For fifth one, the answer is B and C. For sixth one, A, B, C. For seventh, the answer is A, B, C, D. And eighth, the answer is A, B, C, D. For ninth question, the answer is C part. 10th one is answer is D part. For 11th, the answer is A, B, C, D. 12th, answer is A and D. For 13th part, answer is B. 14th, answer is A. And for 15th, answer is A, B, C, D. And here are the answers for question number 2. Asha Bhosle, Spice Girl, Euphoria, Arijit Singh. Okay. With this one, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it and understood it as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.